Today, we will have a brief introduction of Growatt solar pump inverter's SPI 750 4000 TL2 HV installation. The core part of the whole system is SPI 750 4000 TL2 HV solar pump inverter. This series solar pump inverters are built in with boost circuit for MPPT solar charger to maximize solar power, and able to set the priority of PV and utility grid inputs. The inverter is suitable for submersible pumps, ground pumps, swimming pool pumps, and other pumps using asynchronous motors. First of all, unpacking the package, and please check if there is any cosmetic damage or missing parts. If it occurs any of above condition, please contact the supplier. There are the parts inside the package including before the installation, we need to prepare the required tools. The operating environment is very crucial, which might affect the lifespan of SPI. Please do not expose the SPI to the environment of direct sun exposed, rain and snow. In order to ensure the machine can run normally and easy to operate, please provide adequate space for SPI. PV sockets connect with a positive pole and negative pole of solar array. Warning: the places of input sockets of DC positive pole and negative pole of different models are different. AC input sockets connect with power grid. AC output sockets connect with single-phase or three-phase motor. Warning: the signal marshalling sequence of AC output sockets of different models are different. For COM terminal, pin 1 and 2 connect with sensor of water tank. Pin 5 and 6 connect with sensor of water well. GPRS port connect to GPRS monitoring device. For single-phase AC output connector, AC connector L1, PE gets connection with a pump through 3 wires, L wire, N wire, and PE wire. The wiring method for external capacitors is shown in the figures. For 3-phase AC output connector, AC connector 1, 2, L, PE gets connection with a pump through 4 wires, U wire, V wire, W wire, and PE wire. Respectively connect 2 signal lines of sensor with 5 and 6 of COM terminal. When water level sensor 1 detects that the water level of well is lower than the level set by the sensor, the pump inverter will delay for 5 seconds. Then turn off output protection pump. The water level recovers. Wait for 20 seconds. Then the pump inverter reworks normally. Connect 2 signal lines of sensor with 1 and 2 of COM terminal. When water level sensor 2 detects that the water level of water tank exceeds the level set by sensor, the pump inverter delays for 5 seconds and turns off output. Then water level is lower than set level. Wait for 20 seconds. Then pump inverter restarts to work normally. The upper cover includes the LCD display information includes operation data, control parameters, and historical parameters. The information on the display will be switched in turns by pressing up or down key. The selectable information will be switched as below. Work mode setting. Enter the main parameter modification interface for long press 2 seconds for Enter key. Press Enter key to enter view the P00.01. Press the Enter key again, change the default value of 1 to 0. Click the Enter key again to set OK. Click the Back key to enter the mail page. Parameters setting. Example: long press shutdown key for 3 seconds to shut down. Enter the main parameter modification interface for long press 2 seconds for Enter key. Turn up the group P02 and click Enter key to enter P02.00. Flip up to P02.05. Click Enter twice. Press up or down to change motor rated current. Click Enter to set OK to return. Notice: this group of parameter setting steps can be used as reference for any group parameter setting. Factory data reset. Long press shutdown key for 3 seconds to shut down. Enter the main parameter modification interface for long press 2 seconds for Enter key. Flip up to P00.18. Click to Enter. Click Enter to set OK to return. Notice: after the factory settings are restored, all group parameters will return to the default settings except for group P02. Model setting. After the manual setting is completed, return to the main page and press the 3 seconds shutdown key for shutdown. Enter the main parameter modification interface for long press 2 seconds for Enter key. Turn up to group P02 and click Enter key to enter P02.00. Click Enter to enter and scroll up and down to select the motor type. When the 3-phase motor is set to the single-phase motor, the P02.05 needs to be changed to the corresponding single-phase motor current. Click Enter to set OK to return.